You've worked hard to get where you are. Long hours, tough jobs, constant pressure. And at some point, every good technician asks the same question: could I do this on my own? You're good at what you do. Customers trust you. Repairs don't scare you. But no matter how skilled you are, working for someone else always has limits. Going independent isn't about being a genius or having everything figured out. It's about understanding a few key realities and preparing your right way. First, money. Before anything else, you need enough saved to get a reliable van or truck, covering your living expenses, surviving your first weeks without a steady income. Most independents plan for roughly 1 to 2 months efficient. Second, protect yourself legally. Most mechanics set up an LLC. It's straightforward and shields you from personal liability. Use a small business attorney or a trusted formation service. Third, insurance. Health insurance surprises many new independents, but it's simply part of running your own operation. Many technicians use COBRA temporarily while building their customer bids. You'll also need basic business structure, a business bank account, a dedicated mobile number, a clean way for customers to pay you. Separate business from personal from day one. Before you exit your current shop, review any agreements you sign. Respect legal boundaries. Protect your reputation. Play the long game. And this is where the right parts partner can completely change your operation. When you work independently, you don't just need parts. You need information and speed. Access to reliable components, technical manuals when you need them, and search tools that actually save you time. That's why many technicians rely on Intella Parts. We help you source parts efficiently, provide access to technical resources, and connect you to powerful lookup systems. Need help getting started? Intella Parts can help you with financing a van. Ask us for more information. We've got a community of hundreds of independent mechanics that are a great resource for help. Contact us for parts for all brands of forklifts and aerial equipment.